Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to add page numbers into your document in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your Canva application into your device. Then after that, open the document where you want to add the page number. And after opening the document, you will get to see this text option at the bottom. Just simply tap into that text option, and now you just simply have to select suitable options into here. I'm selecting this subheading option into here and just simply type your page number. Then after doing this, you just simply have to select and change the font as your preference. And after selecting the font design, you just simply have to select the place to place this page number. I'm selecting in the middle of the photo in order to place the page number. This way you can add page numbers to your documents in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.